Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has cleared his first test as the BJP wins the trust vote in the Maharashtra Assembly.
But now Congress and the Sena claim that the BJP government is illegitimate as they are in minority. Congress has also threatened to not let the House function.
Well, I must congratulate the Maharashtra government. We have won the trust vote. The mandate of the people of Maharashtra has been reflected. And I think this was the mandate given to the BJP. The vote of strength proves that it's a majority government. It has full right to continue and perform and meet the aspirations of people of Maharashtra.
Megha is with us, who's joining us from outside the Maharashtra Assembly. Megha, the script quite played out as the BJP wanted it because they passed the trust vote. The NCP has supported them. But the question now is the allegations being faced by the Congress and the Shiv Sena. They've called it a minority government. The former Chief Minister Prithviraj Chavan going on to say it's a black day for Maharashtra.
Well, the script perhaps I would say is played out according to not only the BJP but the BJP and the NCP together. The way things moved in the House, when we broke the news, even then, all of us were saying that there was no clarity on whether who voted for this government and who voted against the government because it was a voice vote. You could just hear an overwhelming yes in favor of the BJP government, but you could not figure out who all will be voting in favor of the BJP. And since then, we've been trying to ask the NCP leaders, whoever is coming out of the building, one after the other, trying to stop and ask them whether they voted in favor of the BJP, and none of them are giving us a clear answer. Not a single clear answer, despite probing questions whether they actually voted in favor of the BJP. It seems as if it's a very, very well thought out strategy. First, you had the speaker who belonged to your party, and then you had this voice vote, which was so unclear that it's not only us who were watching it from the gallery, but also people who were sitting and voting, including the Congress and the Shiv Sena who were sitting and voting. They also could not figure out who voted in favor of the BJP and who voted against, and this is how the voice vote goes. But then, considering that this was a trust vote, they of course had expected that it would that this particular trust vote would happen in a proper manner, a proper voting would be done, and everything would be clear before each one of them as to who has voted and who's voted in favor and who's voted against the BJP. And even now, their allegation is that this particular government does not have the entire majority, doesn't have the full majority to function. It is a minority government. The way the things have moved is unfair and illegal, and perhaps the Shiv Sena may escalate the matter to the governor's level.
Right, so stay with us, Megha. We'll come back to you and discuss what really happens next, but let's also hear out what the Shiv Sena and Congress really had to say.
विधानसभा में विधिमंडल में भाजपा को तो विश्वास दर्शक ठराव पास करके मुख्यमंत्री हमारा है ये दिखाने का था, लेकिन आज भाजपा विधानसभा में विश्वास दर्शक ठराव पास नहीं कर सकी। आज नियम की पायमल्ली करने का काम, घटना की पायमल्ली करने का काम आज विधानसभा में भाजपा ने किया है। आवाजी मतदान किया है। अगर दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी करने का होता तो मतदान लेना चाहिए था। हम गवर्नर की तरफ भी हमारे जो भी विधानसभा सदस्य है, विधानसभा के हमारे लीडर्स हैं, वो सब मिलकर गवर्नर के पास जाएंगे और इस तरह की अल्पमत की सरकार जिन्होंने हाउस में बहुमत सिद्ध नहीं किया है और इस तरीके से जानबूझकर ये उन्होंने ठराव इस तरीके से पास करने की कोशिश की, बल्कि वो पास नहीं हुआ है, ये कहने के लिए कांग्रेस पार्टी के सदस्य और सभी नेता वहां पर राज्यपाल को मिलेंगे और इस तरीके का बहुमत दोबारा उनको सिद्ध करना पड़ेगा।
और हमारी पूरी मांग है कि विश्वास दर्शक प्रस्ताव फिर से रखा जाए और उस पर मतदान होकर ही अपना बहुमत सरकार निश्चित करे और फिर उसको घटनात्मक तरीके से, संवैधानिक तरीके से सरकार चलाने का अधिकार प्राप्त होगा। यह एक इलेजिटिमेट सरकार है, ऐसा हमारा स्पष्ट मानना है।